Hey Jammers, what's up? It's Hellokitty5683 here, and today is another video. And today I am doing the nature resort. My friend and I just made nature resorts, and we're going to look at each other's. And this is mine. It has these pond things.
Do you want me to come down there, Hellokitty5683?
You can if you want to. But
Okay.
this is it. And yeah, so my friend who's doing this is Sassy Girl 0107. And let's see what she did.
Okay.
Oh wow, that's actually pretty nice. This is Sassy Girl 0107's Nature Resort.
I'm sorry, I know you can't walk. And
You can walk anywhere you want to in Animal Jam. You still have potatoes? I deleted mine.
yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah, so this is her den. I think it looks pretty nice.
And you're always welcome to come on Animal Jam. Hit Sassy Girl. Oh,
I'm featuring your name right now. This is Sassy Girl 0107. Yeah, I'm just gonna do
and I
this.
will give you a tour of my nature resort. And don't blame me if you don't come.
What? Serious? Hold on. My computer's being slow. I'm looking for something. I forgot what it was. Whatever, I'll do it later. But yeah, guys, that's it for today. And please leave in the comment section on who you like best.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below.
Yep. See you guys later. Bye.